Don't drink more than one of these in a night, maybe in a lifetime. They're fantastic though. If you've ever had a Dancing Bear cocktail, you know it's delicious, but I'm wondering, does it Corona? To make the Corona Dancing Bear, you're going to need 1/4 ounce of a whole bunch of liquor. Let's get started. 7.5 milliliters or 1/4 ounce. I'm going to do my best I can with this bad boy right here. Let's get started. First, you're going to need amaretto, the perfect pour. Next, we're going to need 1/2 ounce of gin, Costco gin, for the boozer on a budget. After that, raspberry liqueur, 1/4 ounce again. Catching a theme here, right? If this seems like a lot of liquor, you're right. Rum, and I'm going to use Island Bird Premium Rum. This stuff is really good, guys. Pick it up at cwspirits.com, promo code CAFEAMORE to save some money. This stuff is really, really good. 1/4 ounce. Next up, coconut rum, and one of my favorites, Rasta Bob. Again, available at cwspirits.com, promo code CAFEAMORE to save. Ship right to your door. Don't have to go to the house. We're finally more than halfway done, so now we're going to add 1/4 ounce of peach schnapps. Southern Comfort, 1/4 ounce. What's any cocktail without tequila? And I'm going to use Supremacia. Orange liqueur, and I'm going to use triple sec. Why? Why not? 1/4 ounce. Last but certainly not least of the liquors we're going to use is vodka, and I'm going to use Costco vodka. So my booze are on a budget. Cranberry juice, 1.5 ounces, so that's about 45 milliliters. The perfect pour. Some pineapple juice, 1.5 ounces, about 45 milliliters. All right, guys, that's about 6 ounces of liquor, so we're going to shake it up with a little bit of ice to get it all nice and cold and a little bit dilute. Woohoo! There we go. Now, grab yourself a Corona and pop that bad boy open. So now we're going to need to drink this down, I don't know, probably pretty close to the E and the extra. Don't mind if I do. Best part of my job right here. Good. All right, so now we're going to do our best to pour this into there. To do that, we need a kitchen funnel. Don't use the one for the car. Word to the wise. All right, here we go, Mrs. Amora. Perfect. Look at that. Perfect. All right, guys, so that's how you make the Corona Dancing Bear. So we're going to garnish that with a piece of lime. What's a Corona without a lime, right? And if you're so inclined, a straw with some cherries on it. And voila, there you go, the Corona Dancing Bear. Let's give it the old collies try. But before I do, you know what to do. Slap that follow button for me. Hello. Hello, easy to drink. Oh. This is the start of some very bad decisions. Oh. Now that is good. The Corona Dancing Bear. Bet you can drink more than one, but you probably shouldn't.